In this session, we will learn how to start GIMP and explore the various components of its screen. You must have used Paint software to draw pictures. There are limitations to Paint software. Paint can only be used to draw pictures, but to refine, you need another software. We will be learning GIMP software. To start GIMP, go to search bar, type GIMP. Now double click on this. Once GIMP is open, you can pin it to taskbar. The advantage of pinning software to the taskbar is that you don't have to search it again. When you close this and you want to reopen it, you can just see the taskbar, look for the icon and double click on it. When you open GIMP for the first time, it opens in multi-window mode. In this mode, the basic arrangement of GIMP window that can be used effectively are displayed on the screen. There are two panels, one on the left and one on the right, and image window in the middle. Left panel contains the toolbox and tool options. The right panel has dockable windows for layers, brushes, gradient, etc. These dockable windows can be moved anywhere on the screen. We can change to single window mode by selecting Windows, Single Window Mode. In single window mode, we can increase or decrease the width. The image window occupies all space between left and right panels. Now, let us explore the various components of its window. The first component is title bar. It appears at the top of the window and displays the file name and other basic information. Second component is menu bar. It is placed below the title bar and has different menu options. For example, File, Edit, Select, and etc. Third component is Toolbox. It has a collection of tools for selecting, creating, and manipulating images. Next component is Tool Options. This area displays options for the selected tool. For example, if I have selected this tool, then its toolbox will get open. And if I selected this tool, then its tool option will get open. Now on the right hand side, this is dockable panel for gradient, brushes, etc. And in the middle, the last component is image window. Each image opened in GIMP is displayed in a separate window. We can open more than one image at a time. In next video, we will study about Toolbox. Thank you.